How we have done this? 3 is to 1 by 2 minus 2 is to 1 by 16. This is mixed fraction. So 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 2 into 16 plus 1 by 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Minus 33 by 16. Now denominators are different. We cannot simplify. So we will take LCM of denominator. 2 and 16 is 16. Make denominator equal 16. So multiply 2 by 8 and 16 by 1. 56 upon 16 minus 33 upon 16 will be 56 minus 33 upon 16. Denominators are same. So take denominator common. 23 upon 16. But our question is in the mixed fraction. So divide 23 by 16. Remainder is 7. So 1 is to 7 by 16. Do third one. चलो do third one. Yes, Park Joshi. Do third one. So this is remedial class. You have to practice. You have to clear your doubts. You have to clear your doubts. You have to solve the problems in the remedial class. They are mixed fraction. Convert them into improper fraction first. So let me solve third one. 801. Okay, let us see what is the answer. Let us check whether your answer is correct or not. So 8 is to 5 by 6. 8 is to 5 by 6. Minus 3 is to 3 by 8. Plus 2 is to 7 by 12. Okay. Mixed fraction 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5. 53. 53 upon 6. 8 3s are 24 plus 3. 27 by 8. Plus 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 7. 31 by 12. Now denominators are different. Denominators are 6, 8 and 12. They are different. So you cannot simplify. So we have to take LCM of 6 at 12. LCM of 6 at 12. Let us use common division method. 6 at 12. So you can multiply by 6. 6 1 is 6. 8. Then this is 6 2 is 12. Then you can divide 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. Then you can multiply by 4. 1 1 1. So 6 2s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So LCM is 48. LCM is 48. So make denominator of each one of them 48. This is 6 multiplied by 8. So 53 into 8 upon 6 into 8 minus this is 8 multiplied by 6. 27 into 6 upon 8 into 6. Plus this is 12 multiplied by 4. So 31 into 4 upon 12 into 4. 53 into 8. Simplify. 8 3 is 24. 8 5 is 40. Plus 2. 42. 424 upon 48. minus 27 into 6, 7 6 are 42, 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16, 162 upon 48, plus 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 124 upon 48. Now denominators are same, 48, 48, 48. So we can take denominator 48 common and simplify numerator. So that will be 424 minus 162 plus 124 upon 48. Let us see. What is sign of 424? Plus. This is minus. Opposite sign you have to subtract. So 424 minus 162. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 262. So this is 262 plus 124 upon 48. So now add them. Plus plus add them. 262 plus 124. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 2 plus 1 3. 386. 386 upon 48. But this is not in the lowest term. There are few terms you can cancel. You can cancel them by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. 193 upon 224. You can divide 193 by 24 because question is given in mixed fraction. 193. 24 7s are 24 8s are 24 8s are 8 4s are 32, 192. So 24 8s are 192. Remainder is 1. Okay. So this is 8 is to 1 upon 24. Answer is 1 upon 24. Yes, Parth Joshi, how you are getting 8,100? Yes, how you were getting 8,100? Answer is 193 upon 24. Do fourth one. Hello, do fourth one. Do fourth one. Do fourth one. 8 by 3 into 17 by 16. 8 by 3 into 17 by 16. There is a multiplication sign between two fractions. So how we multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So let me explain you the concept. A by B multiplied by C by D in fraction. Now it is clear? From my side it is showing clear. Okay, A by B multiplied by C by D. In A by B, A is my numerator, B is denominator, C by D, A is my numerator, D is denominator. So whenever you have to multiply two fractions, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, multiplication of two fractions. So numerator is A, numerator is C, A into C upon denominator is B, denominator is D, B into D. So A by B multiplied by C by D will be A into C upon B into D. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Simplify this. You have to write down the fraction to the lowest term. Let us solve based on this. 8 by 3 into 17 by 16. So numerator into numerator will be 8 into 17 upon 3 into 16. You have to cancel the common term of numerator and denominator. You can cancel 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So answer is 1 into 17, 1 into 17 upon 3 into 2. 1 into 17 is 17, 3 into 2 is 6. Answer is 17 by 6. Answer is 17 by 6. Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. That is multiplication of two fractions. Multiplication of two fraction is numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Okay. Chalo, simplify. Let me give you more questions for practice. Yes, Parth Joshi, Krishna, everything is clear? Concept is clear? Multiplication of two fractions. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Chalo, solve this. Fifth one. Solve. 2 by 10 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 2. Multiplication of three fractions. So multiply numerator to numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, denominator. And cancel the common factor. Sixth is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Then seventh 38 by 12 multiplied with 14 by 19. 8 7 into 3 is to 4 by 15. Do it fast. Three upon 2. Get 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Then we will discuss all the three solutions. Take 5 minutes to solve all this. Take 5 minutes to solve all this. Then we will discuss the solution of 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Solve 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Solve 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. What answer you got 5th? So let us discuss 5th. Let us discuss the answer of 5th. What is the answer of 5th? Two by 10. Fifth one. 2 by 10 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 2. 3 upon 4. Let us check the answer. So So multiplication of three fraction, numerator into numerator into numerator. So 2 into 5 into 3. Upon denominator into denominator into denominator, 10 into 8 into 2. Yes, now I'm there. Now you can see. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, no problem. 1 minute. One minute, no problem. Let me make it, no. Not an issue. Now you can see the screen. Yes, now screen is very much clear. Yes. Okay. So this is numerator into numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator into denominator. Now cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2, 2 get cancelled. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Nothing get cancelled now. So what is left? 1 into 1 into 3 upon 2 into 8, 2 into 8 into 2. 2 get cancelled, no? 2 ones are 2. So 2 into 8. So answer is 3 upon 16. 3 upon 16. Okay. 3 upon 16. Sixth answer. Tell me the answer. Yes, 29 upon 35 is the answer of 60. 29 upon 35, no? This only you are telling me, no? Yes, this answer is correct. Solve next one. So 29 upon 35. We will discuss the solution after 1 minute. Yes, Krishna. What is the answer of 6th? 29 upon 35. Let us discuss the solution of 6th. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Okay, let us see 28 upon 12. Let us check the answer. Okay, let us see this first, 6. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Now denominators are different, 7 and 5. So take LCM. Both are prime number. So LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Whenever numbers are prime number, their multiplication is their LCM. Okay. So 3 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5. Multiply 5. We have to make 5 to 35. So multiply by 7. 5 into 7. So 5 3s are 15 upon 35 plus 14 upon 35. Now denominators are equal 35, 35. So we can add numerator 15 plus 14 upon 35. That is 29 upon 35. The answer is 29 upon 35. The answer is 29 upon 35. Yes, I am audible. हाँ, board is very much clear, my dear. 29 upon 35. So from my side, internet speed is also fast. चलो do seventh one. चलो. Where? That will, my dear, dot resolution will become, no, resolution dot comes. चलो solve seventh one. Yes, no problem. Solve seventh one. चलो. 38 by 12 into 14 by 19. Solve this seventh one. 38 by 12 into 14 by 19. What is the answer? Parth Joshi, 28 by 12. Krishna, what is your answer? Your answer is 28 by 12. Let us check the answer. 38 by 12 into 14 by 19. Okay, let us see. Let us see what is the answer. Numerator into numerator. 38 into 14 upon 12 into 19. Okay. Now 19 twos are 38. Then 12 and 14 you can cancel. 7 twos are 14. 6 twos are 12. So answer is 2 into 7. 2 into 7 upon 6. That is 14 by 6. See, your answer was correct. But this is not the lowest term. No, 28 and 12 you can cancel. 7 fours are 28. 7, this 14 twos are 28. And 12 you can write 6 twos are 12. 2 get cancelled, that is 14 by 6. Okay, 14 by 6. You can still cancel. 7 twos are 14. 3 twos are 6. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 7 by 3. Chalo, do 8th one. Your answer is correct. But you have to write down that to the lowest term. Where? My dear, see, there are two students. For one student it is clear. For my side it is clear. So definitely you can check your internet. If internet is slow, then definitely dot will come or blur will come. If everybody is getting that problem, then we can think over that. Okay. Chalo, solve this. Do not send the picture in the group. Not required. So do this, 8th one. Yes, Parth Joshi, what is the answer of 8th one? Krishna, what is the answer of 8th one? Tell me at least one answer. Seven into 3 is to 4 by 15. 7 into 3 is to 4 by 15. Yes, Parth Joshi, what is the answer? Krishna. Seven into what is the answer? 3 is to 4 by 15. No. 7 I will write 7 upon 1. Then this is mixed fraction. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 4, 49 by 15. Okay, so that will be 7 into 49 upon 1 into 15. Now 7 and 49 you cannot cancel because both are in the numerator. If one is in the numerator, one is in the denominator, you can cancel. But both are in the numerator, so nothing, we have to multiply. 7 into 49, 9 7s are 63. 343 upon 15. But the question, it is given mixed fraction. So 343 you have to divide by 15. 15 twos are 30, then it is 43. 15 twos are 30, then it is 13, yes. 22, 13 upon 15, yes, very good. 22, 13 upon 15 is the correct answer. Okay, so now we stop here. We will see next period remedial class division of two fractions. Okay. Next period we will see division of two fractions.